how to add a beautiful digital clock widget to home screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to next page. Now here, so just click and hold on screen. So if you want to add widgets, so click on widgets. Scroll down and click on clock. So if you want to add digital clock widget on home screen, scroll down and you will see digital clock widget is here. So you will select digital clock widget from here. So after select widget, click on widget and click on add. So after click on add, you will see beautiful digital clock widget is add on home screen. So after the process, click on screen, and after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add a beautiful digital clock widget to home screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.